Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. The best internet resources about hotels that allow dogs in Helen, Georgia. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about hotels that allow dogs in Helen, Georgia is www.bringfido.com. See the page titled Dog-Friendly Vacations in Helen, GA, US, bringfido.com. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.bringfido.com, especially the page Pet-Friendly Hotels in Helen, GA, US, bringfido.com. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site hotels.petswelcome.com. The web page Pet-Friendly Hotels in Helen, Georgia and Lodgings. Here's the link.